So here it is, guys. My product management portfolio website is finally here. It's not just on product management; it encompasses quite other aspect of my life, my works, and other things I have done. So I'll just walk you through the design narrative. So prior to working on the website itself, I had done lots of research on different portfolio and stuff. So I've seen a lot of product managers' portfolios. I just wanted something different. I wanted something unique, and I also wanted to build very fast. So I decided to go with a design flow that is very simple, yet it's still very aesthetically pleasing and is quite innovative, and at the same time it's unique and very particular to me, as it were. So what happens here, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to design with those four principles: simplicity, aesthetically pleasing, innovative, and unique, right? So yeah, my hero section says product leader, solution architect, and an innovator. I am shaping the future of digital transformation in Africa and beyond. So hire me today. So of course, if you click here, it takes you to my work section. If you click here, it shows you my CV. So I did a very simple flow, right? So I saw a flow that when you click this, you download right there on it. But I wanted something different. I wanted you to have a preview of my CV even before you are redirected to the download site. So if you click on my CV, it previews and it shows you my CV. And if you want to download, you click on download full CV, then it redirects you out of the website. So I don't want to take us out here. I want us to stay stick here. And so now navigate. So once you leave that section, you move into the next section. So I added some bits of motion effects, not too much of motion design, right? I'm not a motion designer, I'm a product manager, as it were. I just have extensive knowledge of design and stuff. Yeah. So if you noticed, I stuck to three major colors, right? So this dark shade of navy blue, light version of blue in the next section, and yellow, right? FED 500 particularly, as it were. That's my favorite yellow, as it were. Then what do I do here? You see hover effects here. So product management, product strategy, product solution architecture, end-to-end product delivery, and edtech and SaaS innovation, growth and GTM execution. And you see me here using my laptop. Yeah. So I focus on high impact product and solution delivery. So if you're looking for a product manager for your organization who focuses on delivering amazing user experience, great products that drive impact, then for sure you are looking for me. Then we move to the next section that shows, and this is funny enough, this is the section I love most in my design. It carries an effect of a picture you will see next in the next section, right? I use the same picture in the hero section, but I use the rooftop of that picture. It shows the lights there, gives the dark background particular effect that I like. So here I used it here, but I use the edges. The edges balances with the blue shades and the dark shades over the blue on the top and bottom. Then I centralize my videos. So this section is my TV interviews and my live trainings that I've done, some of them, so I put them here. So yes, I am not your average product manager. I have in Nigeria we say I have doings. So yeah, you can watch some of my videos, my trainings, my live trainings on various things from. Okay, so let me start from the very first one. I want this video to be as short as possible. So my video on my live TV interview, my video on analytics for products and product managers. I'm using AI for GRC compliance and stuff. My AI product management video. I think next one's still on AI product management for marketing, for product marketing. Then my SEO keyword research. SEO and digital marketing. Then I have my SEO and keyword research video. So for this particular video, I was even shocked that it's currently being used by, I forgot their name now, but it's a large open source training body in India that trains over 80,000 students annually, and they're using this, my current AI is cybersecurity video, to train their students, and I'm impressed, right? So that next section, right, we move to why work with me, right? So each section tells gives you a story, conviction, closes you, right? Why work with me? I have over 7+ years, 9 years actually, but I want to stick to the professional years. 7+ years of digital experience, building products, also working in tech marketing and tech sales, right? Then finally crossing into product management about 3 years ago, right? So 7+ years, 30+ product certifications across product management, product marketing, all anything products, 30+, right? I just had to, these are the ones that I think I saved or I can easily pull up, but it's over 40 actually though. 3 continents where I think I've crossed 3 continents, but I didn't want to over exaggerate, so I put 3 continents. So UK, US, Canada, Nigeria. Okay, that's 4 continents. I would update this. I would update this later. 10 plus platform built so far, right? Lots of platform from University to Inegben Academy to DMZ Camp to Global Queens to what's it called now? 6 strategies to Sakate to EEGov to Mac Pro Tax, a lot of projects, right? As it were, if you go down, then I have a section just before my featured project. You would see view my CV again. Why? So there is a psychology in I said this is psychology. There is a design psychology pattern I like to use where I believe there are triggers, right? So every human being has a trigger. Right here, you might see product leader, solution architect, and innovation, have a one-time narrow view of my CV, and be like, probably just making noise, right? But when you come down, you see what I do here, probably it's still noise. Then you come down here, you get a lot of value for your time. Then you are convicted. You are convicted enough that no, I need to hire this guy, right? Next thing is you want to also know what I've done apart from just teaching them and doing stuff, so you see the result. Then again, that can trigger your next action. So hence the reason why you see 3 different triggers here. Now in the hero section, I have 2 triggers. I have 2 call to actions. My work and view my CV. Now if you come down after I've shown you these few evidences of that I'm not just speaking, I have the relevant experience and there is proof of what I've done over the years, then you can choose to still view my CV to still give you that same pop-up, that same flow in the hero section is here. Then if you want to invite me to speak, you click here, it takes you directly to the footer section where you can chat me up on WhatsApp. Then if you want to let's view something great, whichever of the ones you want to do, these 2 takes you directly there. Then you move to featured product. So University, Smart Safe, Inegben, Global Queens, 6 strategies. These are just a few that I wanted to add for now. I would keep on updating it as time goes on, but I just needed this guy to go live. So different sectors where I have built products in the last couple of months: edtech, finance, professional bodies, consulting bodies and stuff. So my speaking engagement. So my speaking this is a training. This first one here is a training with an investment company. I went to train them on site. This is my live TV interview. This is a training I did on site in 2020. So I gave different years actually. So you see that my journey didn't start this year. So some of you might think, okay, it was already built in Inegben Academy. That is what's made him to start doing all of these things. No, so I wanted to give you a footprint of my journey so far from 2020 down to 2025. This is the recent conference that I was privileged to speak on tech and media. I was also the project director for that conference. This is when Vidas Nest invited me to come and speak to their community. This is Bank's session that I did last week. So Bank is a sub-product of Sterling Bank. So I spoke on how cashless technologies affecting school life, right? Other speaking engagement section. So my skills and expertise section shows you things I know and I can do. So my product skills, product research, strategy, solution architecture, user research, road mapping, MVP planning, UI and UX design, agile scrum management, data analytics, GTM execution, and team leadership. My tech skills, WordPress development, LMS and TMS development, QA and testing, analytics system setup, app and web architecture as it were. Then marketing and growth, of course, I have extensive experience and knowledge doing SEO, content strategy, conversion optimization, all of these. Then my business skills, business development, partnership, sales strategy, pricing and closing, and market expansion. Then, of course, you have another call to action, but this time it is just 1, right? So notice the difference. So I have 2, 3, 1. That's my formation for my call to action. So 2, 3, then 1. In the final call to action. You wonder why this 1, because here you have everything you need. So you're ready to collaborate. You can book a call. You can hire me for product management in your company. I officially signed off for my previous employers yesterday, right? Yeah, so in case you will not be watching this video as of the day I'm making this video, so I signed off on the 24th of November 2025. Yeah, so consulting, you want me to consult for your startup or your product, you guys are currently in a roadblock, of course I'm available for a call. You want me to come and train your team, I'm available. You want to invite me to speak at a webinar, at a conference, I'm available. You want to chat me directly on WhatsApp, you want to click this guy to redirect you to chat me on WhatsApp. You want to send me an email, here's my email. You want to connect with me on LinkedIn here, you want to connect with me on Instagram here, you want to connect with me on X here. So of course, then I have a trigger button here, which is for you to go back to the top in case you still want to just see, okay, is really a product leader, a solution architect, and an innovator. I believe with this viewpoint of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that my portfolio site is not just a portfolio site. It's a product on its own, as it were. And if you also need a portfolio website like this for yourself, for your business, I'm available to get this up for you in less than a month. You get your a month is actually large, but just to get your full scope, sketch it out, have a meeting with you, and all of this kind of stuff. So I'm available for a lot of things. You want me to replicate this kind of portfolio website for you for your budgets? Hit me up. You want to hire me as a product manager? Hit me up. You want to book me to speak at your webinar, your conference? Hit me up. You want to bring me to train your team, your company? Hit me up. Anything you want me to do, hit me up. Yes, so that is it. I am Inegben Stanley. I'm a product manager. I'm a product solution architect. I'm an innovator, and I'm a builder by nature.